Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a chocolate brownie, not my own original. You can buy this at the Aldi store. It is, or it's supposedly, a triple choc fudge brownie mix. Deliciously rich, moist chocolate brownie with chocolate buttons in there. Let's give it a crack, and we're going to see how this turns out. Very simple to make, easy. Let's get cracking. Okay, I've got my mixing bowl here, got my eggs, and over here I've got my melted butter. So basically we're just going to pour this powdered mixture in. Find the chocolate chips are in there as well. Then we're going to pour our melted butter in. And now it's time to give everything a really good mix. Make sure all those dry ingredients are mixed in. We have a combination here of dark chocolate and white chocolate buttons. Gives it a great contrast. And now it's time to pop it into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. You can check it after 30 minutes. It might be an idea because your oven might be slightly different to mine. Let it rest before you cut into it. It really is a delicious, quick and easy afternoon tea snack, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.